Hi everyone, welcome to Everywhere channel.
Please like, subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you.
Hi everyone, welcome to Everywhere channel. Today's lesson, I will teach you what are the usage of count if and count ifs function. When we can use count if and which condition we can use count ifs. Okay, we'll start the lesson. Okay, to describe this, I already created a table with fruit's name and location. Okay, my first task is I want to find from this table this fruit uh, column, how many apples are there in this fruit, right? Okay, how I can find it? Equal count if, right? So it's saying count the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. That means if I want to find the output with the one condition, I can use this count if function. If I press tab, my first condition should be range. So I want to find how many apples are there. So the range means wherever this apple contains, that full column should be selected. Then I want to find apple. Always remember when we want to get a output as a letter or word, you should always use start double colon and end with double colon. Then I close the bracket. If I enter there, I can find from this fruit range how many apples are there. Okay, if I calculate manually, 1, 2, 3, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, right? Okay. If I want to find mango, yeah, I don't want to do it again. I just go here, just remove this apple. Instead of this, I can type what? Mango. Then I can find the count of mango. So always remember when you are giving a letter or number, you should close with double colon. Okay. See, 1 mango, 2 mango, 3 mango, then 4 mangoes. Right? Fine. Now, same thing I can do in a different way. Equal. So what before that, what I will do is I will give you a cell reference. Okay. So I want to find apple. No. So I will type here apple. Okay. Right. Now I want to find how many apples are there. Equal count if open the bracket, that apple range should be selected. That whole table should from that whole column should be selected. Comma. I can give this as a self reference. If I close the bracket, if I enter there, I can find the count of apple, right? Beauty of this is when I change this apple to mango here, I can get the mangoes count as well, because this cell is now as dynamic reference, right? So when we are dynamic reference means when you are changing that value, you can get the output as well, right? You don't need to type again. You don't need to do change from here. You can just type here the name, then you can get the count, right? Okay. Now here I gave only one condition. What is my condition? From this fruit range, I want to find how many mangoes are there, right? Now I am giving more than one condition, right? But if you are using more than one condition, you cannot use in count if. That count if only fulfill with only with one condition. But if you have more than one condition, then you should use count ifs. Okay, we'll do that. I'm giving some condition. I'm saying that, right? This apple I got from Colombo, right? I want to find now how many apples I bought from Colombo, right? How many times I bought apple from Colombo, right? Now here, not only one condition, here two conditions are there. Is one or two or more than two, you can use count ifs. If you have only one condition only, you can use count if, right? Okay, I have more conditions, so I'm going for count ifs equal count ifs. What they're saying? Count the number of cells specified by a given set of condition. Not only one condition, even one condition also we can find. More than one condition also we can find. Okay. Open the bracket. My first condition should be criteria range. Okay. I want to find first apple. No. So criteria range means wherever this apple contains, that whole column should be selected, comma. This is my cell reference, comma. I'm giving one more condition. I'm saying that how many times I bought apple from Colombo. Okay, my second criteria should be wherever that Colombo contains. So that location, full column should be location, full column should be selected, right? Comma. My condition is that apple should be I bought from Colombo, right? If I close the bracket, if I enter there, yes, I can find the count. See, apple Colombo I bought one time, apple Colombo I bought two times. But apple gold, it won't come because I bought apple from not Colombo, I bought from gold. So always remember when you are giving count if function, when you are giving more than one condition, right? That all the conditions should be fulfilled. Here two conditions. If only one condition fulfill, it won't come. It should be all the condition should be fulfilled. Either one, two, three doesn't matter. All the condition should be fulfilled. Okay, right. Today we discuss about what are the usage of count if and count ifs. So if you want to find a output with only one condition, you can use count if you have more than one condition, you can use count ifs. I hope you understood this lesson very well. If you have any doubts, please comment me on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thanks for watching my video. See you on next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.